Hey everyone! Welcome to this video on social media and marketing. In this video, we'll be talking about what social media is, how it works for marketing, and how you can use it to your advantage. What is social media? First, let's define what social media is. Social media is a platform that allows people to connect and share information with each other. Social media has become a part of our daily lives, and there are various types of social media platforms available like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, and many others. How social media works for marketing. Now that we know what social media is, let's discuss how it works for marketing. Social media platforms are a powerful tool for businesses to promote their products and services, reach new audiences, and build brand awareness. Social media marketing involves creating and sharing content on social media platforms to achieve specific marketing goals. Here are some ways in which social media marketing works. Targeted advertising. Social media platforms allow businesses to target specific audiences based on demographics, interests, and behavior. This allows businesses to reach the right people at the right time, making their marketing efforts more effective. Building brand awareness. Social media is a great way for businesses to create a strong online presence and build brand awareness. By sharing content regularly, businesses can establish themselves as a thought leader in their industry and connect with their target audience. Engaging with customers. Social media platforms allow businesses to engage with their customers in real time, making it easier to provide customer service and build relationships with customers. Tips for using social media for marketing. Now that we know how social media works for marketing, let's discuss some tips for using it effectively. Define your goals. Before you start your social media marketing campaign, define your goals. This will help you create a targeted strategy that is aligned with your business objectives. Know your audience. To create content that resonates with your audience, you need to know who they are, what they like, and what their pain points are. Consistency is key. To build a strong online presence, you need to be consistent with your social media efforts. This means posting regularly and engaging with your audience on a regular basis. Use visuals. Visual content like images and videos are more engaging than text-only content. Make sure to use visuals in your social media posts to grab your audience's attention. So, there you have it. Social media is a powerful tool for businesses to reach new audiences, promote their products and services, and build brand awareness. By following the tips we discussed in this video, you can use social media to your advantage and achieve your marketing goals. Please consider subscribe to our channel for more educational content. Thanks.